Εν τω μεταξύ, σήμερα είχε συνάντηση ο Έλληνας υπουργός Άμυνας με τον Ισραηλινό ομόλογό του. Πάμε να ακούσουμε τις δηλώσεις τους.
Aggressive revisionism is the greatest challenge we have to face in our region and poses a serious risk for the rules-based international order. Our initiatives are always based on the respect of the rules of international law, respect of sovereignty and sovereign rights, as well as the principle of good neighborly relations.
The first pillar is a common interest. It is common interest of both Israel and Greece to ensure security and stability in the East Med and the Middle East regions. The second pillar is the common values.